Wow.
We're gonna roll some Oreos on the table, and wherever it falls in, we need to eat. It can be yuck or delicious.
Yummy.
Round 1.
Oh, chicken.
Chicken? Good.
It's good.
It's okay.
Round 2.
Milk!
Milk. Oh my god. It's very good milk. Oh, Oreo with milk.
Why are you getting the good ones? Why are you getting the good ones? Every time.
Thank you.
Round 3.
Barbecue.
Oh my, I'm gonna die. I think I'm gonna die.
The best.
Round 4.
Oh, soup.
Oh, it's the best. Yummy.
You're kidding. The bad one, me, and you're the good one.
Round 5.
Salt.
Salt.
It's a little better than barbecue. It's a little better.
It's good?
Yeah, but
Yeah. Okay.
don't salt.
Next round.
Round 6.
You got so strong.
Honey. Oh my god. Oh, it's delicious.
I mean, yeah. I'm getting so jealous of you.
Round 7.
What is?
Chili.
Whoa.
Chili.
Oh my god.
Chili. You got chili. You're gonna go. Oh my god. Oh, you're gonna die.
Oh.
You're gonna die.
It's disgusting.
It's gross, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how, but he wins. He was the luckiest one here. He got literally all of the sweet ones, all of the those things, and I got literally the things. Thank you for watching today. We'll see you next time.
You see you next time. Bye.